I'm John Hanna for CityTV.net here in New York City, and we have Kevin Cope joining us from Salt Lake, Utah. Thanks for joining us.
My pleasure, John. Thanks for having me.
Great. So first, give us a little bit of a background about yourself.
Well, I actually grew up in California. Started in kind of the construction industry, through high school and college. Business finance degree, and then I've been in kind of the training development consulting space for about 23 years now.
Okay. So now tell us about the book.
Well, Seeing the Big Picture is the title. The subtitle is Business Acumen to Build Your Credibility, Career, and Company. And it kind of came as a result of 10 years of business around this topic of business acumen, or 10 years in working with organizations. And what we found, John, is that there's a much bigger gap than I would have ever imagined between how a company makes money and what the average employee knows about that money-making process. They might be brilliant at IT or sales or marketing, but what we're finding is they're not very well connected to the overall business and how it's doing performance-wise, and in particular what they can do to help improve that company performance.
Okay, so how do we get to that then? How do we explain that to the employees? Because every seat in a company needs to have a revenue, right?
Yes.
So how do you bring that about? How do you make the employee know how to become a positive part of the whole process?
Yeah. Well, I think there are 3 or 4 things I'd recommend that a manager do in an organization. So number 1, get really clear on maybe the 5 or 6 performance measures that are most important in your business. And if you're a private company or a small company, you may not want to share all of those, but there are some that you would want to share with your employees. So number 1, get really clear. Don't come up with 10 or 20 measures. Come up with maybe just 5 or 7. Number 2, educate your employees on why those are important, how they're measured, and then talk to them about what they can do in the role to drive those measures. For example, if profit is one of your key measures, help people understand what they can do to help drive profit in the company. And then number 3, regularly get back with your employees and talk about how the company's progressing. Share with them data. Here's how we're moving our profit measure, whether it's going up or down, and then continue to enlist them in being involved in helping to solve or improve that performance measure.
Okay. Now, when an employee comes into work, I mean, this is me. When I come into work, I don't know the overall picture of a company. Let's say, for example, I work for a big investment bank, right? So I come into work. How would that be able to make me, aside from like having a job, be able to increase my participation within the company?
Yeah, so in other words, how can you be more credible or valuable in a company by understanding this?
Right. Because now you have your managers. I mean, there's a lot of speakers out there who's going to be talking to the big corporate entities and all that stuff, and even the small business size. Now, when speakers come into the office, it's usually the managers are being sent to those speaking engagements, so that way they can relate that back to their individual departments. Now, how does that relate to now from the manager back to an employee like myself, for example?
Yeah. Well, first of all, the really good managers are those that are also teachers. They're constantly working with their people and helping them make those connections and understanding the big picture. And from a manager standpoint, here's why that's important. I've found that people will work harder, they'll be more engaged if they really understand how their job impacts company performance. They really like that line of sight. And when they're more engaged, they tend to be more efficient, more effective in their role. They get more accomplished. So from a manager's perspective, it's really in their best interest to help their employees see the big picture. Now, if I'm an employee and I've got a manager who's not doing a good job of educating me, and if I'm an employee who's interested in being more credible and growing in my career, then I might have to do some of the work on my own. And there's several things you can do if you're an employee and you want to be more understanding of the big picture. One is simply sit down with your manager and kind of express your intention to have a better understanding of the business. And most managers are willing to share that. Even if they're not proactive, they'll at least respond to a request. A second is generally most companies have a lot of information available about them. whether it's their financial statements if they're a public company, and a lot of other data if they're public, maybe corporate brochures or information. So two, an employee can become proactive in finding information about their own company and then studying that. So I think those are two specific things, a place where I'd recommend they start.
Okay. Now, the other thing that I've noticed is that a lot of the companies do have performance review. I think that would be a good chance for the managers to say, you know, here's what I think about your performance so far. Where do we go from here?
Yeah, no question. I think that's a great conversation starter. But oftentimes those performance reviews, you know, for most companies don't take place till the end of the year. So if I'm a manager and I'm wanting to engage my people more, boy, I'd start immediately in that process. And then I think that performance review, as you've described, John, is another way to touch base and say, so how are we doing? And I'm finding that a lot more performance reviews are including the topic of business acumen, meaning employers, companies are needing every employee to be better connected to how they improve the business, to have better business acumen, to better see that big picture. And so more employee performance reviews are including kind of the challenge to become more knowledgeable about the business, to develop that business acumen.